Hello everyone, welcome back to another Take and Bake episode, and this month we're doing blondies. It's a dessert I haven't made that much. I'm usually a brownies man myself, but I thought I would give it a shot and I'm really glad I did. These are delicious and ridiculously gooey, so if you're a fan of a gooey bar, let's proceed. We're going to start off lining a 9 by 13 baking pan. I have it sprayed and lined with parchment paper. And then we're going to melt 2 sticks of butter on a stove, pour it over 2 cups brown sugar, get that all mixed up. Looks delicious already. And then we're going to add 2 eggs, get that whisked together, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and half a teaspoon salt. And then continuing with the rule of twos, we're doing 2 cups of flour, taking a little break now and then to whisk it together, eventually moving to the spatula when it gets too thick to use the whisk. And so here you get to use your creative side. We want to have about 2 to 3 cups of whatever filling you want. Here I'm using a cup and a half of semi-sweet chocolate chips and a cup and a half of Heath bar chunks, but you could use, for example, chocolate chips and nuts, white chocolate chips and macadamia nuts, desiccated coconut. If you're really twisted, you could use raisins or something like that. Whatever you want, but about 2 to 3 cups. And here's some gross footage of me trying to slowly move the batter into my 9 by 13 baking pan. We're going to do 35 minutes at 350 degrees, right in the middle. And here it is, 35 minutes later, looking beautiful. I want to stress that these are very gooey, especially when they're fresh out of the oven. The middle was like molten. They were cooked, but they had a batter-like interior that didn't solidify for hours, but still very delicious. So I hope everyone enjoys these. Happy baking, and I'll be back next month with another Take and Bake.